Hey my friends, if you are a fan of one-layer cards, I have a really fun and easy way on how we can step them up, make them unique, and they'll still be a one-layer card. This is my gorgeous image from the new release with Spellbinders, and this is called Garden Party, and this is the bundle. The bundle is really nice because it includes the 5 layering stencils, and that's what allows us to color in the image really easily and very quickly. So in the set, we have the gorgeous image. We have 8 sentiments, the large die that cuts out the full image, and a strip for the sentiments. So here's what I had in mind. We would change these into shaped cards, and here is what it looks like. I just think it's unexpected and really kind of cute when you take it out of the envelope. So here is the deal. First thing you want to do is color in your images with the stencil, and then you'll take the big die and cut your image out. And when you do that, cut an extra piece, and that's going to make the back of the card. So the next thing we need to do is to glue it together and make it a card. And I'll show you where I like to do a score line for the back piece. So if you look at this image, I have the little flowers off to the left. And if you kind of look at these areas here where it's kind of like a divot or kind of a U, I guess, when I flip this over, you'll see that that is where I put my score line. So when you look at the back, you'll see kind of a divot here and a divot here. This is where your adhesive goes, right across the top, and that's the only place. So that makes the hinge. The nice thing about doing the fold or the score in that area is that it makes a really cute top fold card. And it will also display as a side fold card. So it's really fun. 2 options with that score, and I think that's really a good spot. So I did the same thing on this one, different colors. That's probably the hardest part of the whole thing, is deciding what ink colors you want to use. So again, on this one, you'll see I have my little flowers off to the left. When I turn it over, here's my score line. This one is a little bit bigger. I don't think that really matters too much. So there is that kind of a U-y thing, and here it is over here, and here is my score line. So again, it can be a top fold card, and it also displays as a side fold card. So I think it's really cute. This is adorable, but this is a totally different option. Here's something else to think about. Does the back of the card always have to be the same as the front? And I'm saying no. So I have my image done here on kind of a cream colored cardstock, but I cut an extra back in green. So again, you'll see that when I have my image together, my little flowers are off to the left. There is my score line. That's where my glue will go, above there. And now when you open it up, you'll have a cream and green colored card. So again, a little bit different. So normally I use white or off-white or sometimes craft for my cards. But if you do something that you don't do every day, this is another little tip. So this is my Perfect Gray cardstock from Ranger. And you can see the colors are beautiful on there. But because I don't use it every single day, this is a good way to test your color. So I just did a little bit of sunflower on the back to make sure that that's what I wanted. This is not going to be a shaped card. This will get glued down so nobody will see that. So don't tell anybody. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I think it's really a fun twist from a normal card to a shaped card. And all done with the same products. The Garden Party bundle is just so much fun. I can't even tell you how much I love it. I hope you love it too, and I hope you'll try shaped cards.